Keep waiting. All right, there's some horsepower.
If you guys notice, we have a top fuel dragster right here, and I have to say this is actually like an entire dream come true.
Okay, and what all do you offer?
We offer our primary business is carbon fiber. We do a little bit of fiberglass, but carbon fiber is our core, what we're best at. Our main focus is on the Mustang, the Challenger, the Corvette, and the Camaro.
Thank you. We're trying to get our stuff out of the way today.
If you just want to talk, we can talk. Hello, if you need any help with Intellitronics products, say help. If
That's fine, I just want to see the one we're actually paying for, so that's fine. I'm not going to sign up for that.
So what are you guys to tell us about this year?
Well, the big thing that we're trying to get the word out even more is Pro V. Pro V racing oils, not street legal, just for the racing industry. The official oil of Hendrick Motorsports.
Hey guys, I'm Sheryl with Off the Jacks, and we are out here today in Las Vegas at SEMA 2018, and we've got a cool product that a lot of you with cars are going to want to see. So go ahead and tell us your name and what your company is.
Thank you so much. So I'm Sean Kelly, owner of DNA Surface Concepts out of West Palm, Florida. And our main business is finish, coatings, professional restorations, everything in between. And what I have here right now is one of the best DAs on the market. And of course the DA craze is very, very large now. Everybody's trying to get into these paint correction machines, and there's a good reason. You get accurate, well done finishes without having the trace of swirls and holograms. I'll reach over and get that side.
Chad, is this like the trucking lab?
Good.
Hey guys, I'm Cheryl Locke with Off the Jacks, and we are here at SEMA 2018 in Las Vegas, and I am here with the owner of this beautiful machine. So go ahead and tell us who you are and where you're from.
Okay, my name is Luke Merrill, Tin Man 2 Customs. I'm from a small town in Minnesota, and this is my 1931 Chevy two-door sedan.
So the dots, and what else are you gonna make? It's one of the dots. Put all the lines in place.
Hey guys, I'm Cheryl Locke with Off the Jacks, and we are out here in Las Vegas at SEMA 2018. And today I'm talking with Tennille out at the Makita stand, and let me tell you, I know these tools from working with wood and things like that, but they have automotive tools and they're pretty handy, so we're going to let Tennille tell us about a few of their tools you might find handy in your shop.
So what I want to show you today is some of our newest tools. This is our subcompact impact wrench. One of the cool things about our subcompact impact wrench is that it's the size of a 12-volt tool. As you can see, it's about the same size as a 12-volt tool, same weight as a 12-volt tool, but it's got a lot of extra features.
guys, I'm Sheryl with Off the Jackson. We are here at SEMA 2018 in Las Vegas, and I am talking to Mr. Ed Beard.
Mustache and goatee, depending on how I shave.
And he is the creator, painter, designer of this awesome van. So, Ed, tell us first, where are you from?
So originally I'm from Rhode Island, but we currently live in Pennsylvania. That's where the van's registered from. It's called the Dragon Lord van.
All right, you guys ready to hear the final winner for the 4th division, which is the Hot Rod? So the winner for the Hot Rod division.
I never almost never do this, and you know, it just like gets so.
Take 2.
And Jay Leno's Garage Car Care products. Do not, Joe. Don't forget about that. They were one of the more popular displays inside the Grand Lobby. I actually had an opportunity to see that stuff before. Great job. I thought that was your new cologne. I must admit, though, when I watched that episode when they flipped that Omar, I was a little afraid. All right. And we just missed that awesome Chip Foose vehicle. Again, you'll see that vehicle up close and personal right at SEMA Ignited. So you didn't miss anything.
Just another example of the incredible diversity of cars on display at SEMA. You know, that Foose Impala has had absolutely everything done to it. But then again, so has the Rat truck. So it's all what you're into, friends.
Kev, I don't know if I'm still high from last night, but I think I'm